Imagine a world where everything you can think of can be visualized easily, securely, and collaboratively in real time. Draw.io for Confluence and Jira offers you access to the limitless and empowering world of diagramming and whiteboarding. It boosts your team's productivity from the first minute and allows you to convey complex information through easy-to-grasp visualizations, all while having fun with your team. There's nothing you can't visualize. No matter your needs, Draw.io has you covered. From flowcharts to org charts and mind maps, UML to BPM and diagrams, and everything in between, Draw.io is the diagramming tool that can do it all. And it's so easy. Draw.io is simple enough to get started quickly, but deep enough to be able to handle complex use cases. If you can dream it, you can diagram it. Don't stop with diagrams. Embrace the power of collaborative whiteboarding in real time, and watch your team's meetings get better, more fun, and more efficient. The biggest organizations trust in Draw.io. It's chosen by more teams than any other diagramming app for Confluence and Jira. People from all over the world experience how Draw.io helps them realize their ideas, simplify their processes, and accomplish their goals, all while complying with the highest security requirements. Draw.io is rated #1 in the Atlassian Marketplace and is equally at home in small startups as it is with the biggest organizations in the world. Draw.io is available for all Confluence and Jira deployments, and you can easily move from any Confluence instance to another, as we offer flawless migration paths. Best of all, you can try Draw.io for free. Just visit the Atlassian Marketplace and join us today in the world of diagramming. Draw.io, one tool for every team.